Hi guys, so it's all about Loki today. All about Loki. But don't know. I can't really see because of the sun. We'll go in the house right now. Well, in my house. Because I live there. Oop, 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 oop. Where is he? I can't see. I'll have to stand up. Whew. Humble. Me have 2 subscribers because I'm so cringy. But oh, he needs some privacy. Let's leave to the other side where it's basically his side. He'll get jealous sooner or later. Do not know what to do, but that is Loki. And peace out. Bye. Have a good day or night whenever you watch this. Loki, vente. Come with your big stick. Well, I have to go towards him. He went. Bye, guys. Have a good day.